All right, so I want to preview this new tool I just heard about called Napkin.ai. It's pretty interesting, and it really has some cool functionality, especially for like people in my field. So I'm corporate training, and a lot of times I do presentations, and I want to create or find graphics that kind of match up with what I'm creating. And this tool has a really cool some cool features. So it is currently free right now while it's in beta, so you can actually go check this out. It's app.napkin.ai, which is an interesting name. But I'm actually going to just use its own like AI to generate some content and then show you what it does. So let's just choose one of these. Let's see. Let's just choose picking the right CRM for your sales teams. We'll click this. All right, and I'll have it continue. So it's going to generate a little, document here first, right? So this isn't the magic though. This is not the magic. So right now, then if I go here, say I go here, I click this little lightning bolt. I could actually highlight more of the content, but let me just show you what it does. You click this to generate visuals. So based on this paragraph, it's going to generate some visuals that I can add into my document, which is really cool. I can click this and kind of change the styles up, depending on what I want to do. And obviously I have this in dark mode, so it looks a little interesting. But it creates these various different types of, little cool graphics. And I mean, this is pretty cool. It makes the document look way more interesting. So if I go there and I say, all right, so that looks good. Let's go with this one, and we're good to go, right? So now I can go to the next one. Let's say I want to highlight key features to look for. If I want to go and highlight all of these, I think I can. Let me see. Yep. Instead, because it'll suggest it based on just each paragraph. But let's say I want all of these, right? Then I click this, and it's going to take all that content and generate me some graphics and things based off of that. So I could go and pick and choose, like which CRM to choose from. Gives that cool little graphic. So that's pretty neat. User-friendly interface, equal ideals. So you see kind of what it does, right? This one has stuff that's a little busier. I actually like that one. So let's go with that, and we can pick different styles. And I'll just choose this one here. Got nice some color, right? So then you could actually still do some edits and everything to it. But then let's see. Let's go to the last ones, and I'm gonna let's highlight these last two: budget considerations and trial period demos. So it took this just basic block of text and turned it into something else that's pretty cool, right? Like, I think that's pretty awesome. And a lot of times, people are doing presentations, they want some type of visual representation. So it took that block of text that I had, and now it's turned it to some nice visuals that I can still go in and edit. And this is a real short demo, but I want to have people check this out. It's pretty cool. And you don't have to go online and try to find anything. It'll actually make relevant images based on what your text has. So I could have uploaded my own document here, obviously. I want to just do something real quick, have it generate the information, highlight it, and then show you what it does. But let's say I want to add in, let's say I just did those, but let me add in some additional, let's add in some additional stuff here. All right, because that was looking like a big block of text. I want to have something for each one. And let's see here, user interface, I already got something like that. That's pretty interesting. So let's make it a little more colorful. Boom. All right. And I could do this with each and every one of these. So it's pretty interesting. I thought that was pretty cool. Really great if you do presentations or you're trying to get something across to somebody. You want to add some visuals instead of just big blocks of text and have relevant visuals. I definitely recommend checking this out. Obviously, it probably has some other tools that I haven't looked at. So these comments, you got other like drawing and labeling, things like that. You can add your own images in if you like. But really cool. In beta right now and free for now. So definitely check it out if this is something that would appeal to you and something you can use.